This is the open secret that sometimes dashboard kills curiosity. And it impacts the overall analytics journey. Generally, after looking at the dashboard, many data questions arise in your mind. Right? And the irony is that again you have to go to the software team. Doesn't it kill the essence of analytics? Can AI or ML era democratize the data in a true sense? Yes, NewFangled product, Polus has already done it for some big organizations including Hero Enterprise, Bark India, My Lab Connect, etc. Wanna experience innovation? Let's review the % of premium generated by the top agents. So, the machine is generating a query and plotting a chart for you automatically. Each state premium contribution. Let's find out the top 5 states where the most policies were sold. Now, let's know how my top 3 agents are doing. Pull the agent's name, who are generating revenue above the threshold. You can easily compare the premium of 2 dimensions. Okay, let's see how much premium was generated by the top agents. Understand your sales pattern throughout the year. Polus can also generate dashboards without coding and designing. But what about NoSQL, Elasticsearch, Druid, and etc.? No worries, we are just a call away for all your analytics needs.